In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Monday.com efficiently and effectively. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to sharpen your project management skills, this guide will navigate you through the simple process of task assignment within one of the most popular project management tools out there. Monday.com is an incredibly versatile platform that allows teams to stay connected, manage tasks, and track project progress all in one place. Assigning tasks effectively is crucial for maintaining productivity and ensuring that every team member knows exactly what they need to work on. Without further ado, let's dive into the process. First and foremost, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This will serve as our starting point. Upon arriving at the homepage, ensure you're logged in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, a central hub where you can access all your projects. Now, the next step is crucial for getting to the specific project you want to assign tasks within. Within the dashboard, you'll notice various projects listed. Go ahead and select the project you wish to work on. This action will take us deeper into the specifics of the chosen project, allowing us to manipulate tasks directly. With your project open, the next step is about personalizing your project board to accommodate assignments. Notice the plus icon located usually on the top or the side of your project board. Click on this icon to add a new column to your board. The addition of this column is what enables us to assign tasks to individual team members. Upon clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various column types. From this menu, select the People column. This type of column is specifically designed for task assignment purposes. It allows you to tag team members in tasks, showing clearly who is responsible for what. This specificity is crucial for clarity and accountability within the project management process. After adding the People column, you'll notice an empty cell underneath it. Click on this cell to bring up a search bar. This is where you get to assign a task to a team member. Start typing the name of the user you wish to assign the task to. As you type, Monday.com will suggest users from your team list. Select the appropriate team member to assign the task to them. Here's a little tip. When you're assigning tasks, think about the workload of the team members you're assigning tasks to. You want to ensure that tasks are distributed evenly and according to each member's capacity and expertise. This careful consideration prevents burnout and helps maintain a healthy, productive workflow within your team. Congratulations! You've just assigned a task on Monday.com. It's that simple. Repeat the process for as many tasks as you need to assign, ensuring that every task has a designated team member responsible for its completion. This clear delegation will significantly enhance your team's efficiency and overall project progress. Remember, the key to effective task assignment is not just about distributing work, but also about ensuring clarity and communication. By assigning tasks directly on Monday.com, you're leaving no room for ambiguity. Each team member has clear visibility on what they're responsible for, contributing to the project's success. To sum up, we've walked through the process of navigating to Monday.com, selecting a project, adding a People column to your project board, and assigning tasks to team members by typing their names into the respective cells. Each of these steps plays a vital role in the seamless management of your project tasks. Before we wrap up, here's one last piece of advice. Regularly check in on the progress of tasks and maintain open lines of communication with your team. This proactive approach not only ensures that the project stays on track, but also fosters a supportive work environment, encouraging teamwork and collaboration. That's all for today's guide on how to assign tasks on Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, effective task assignment is a crucial skill in project management, and with Monday.com, the process is both intuitive and straightforward. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a proficient project manager, capable of leveraging Monday.com's full potential to enhance your team's productivity and success. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.